Okay, so this next video is going to show you how to set this thing up. So you have it hooked up now, hardware-wise anyways. I'm turning it on for the first time, and this is what you see. We're going to wait for it to boot up here. Alright, here's the welcome screen. So I'm just using the remote that came with it. This guy right here. And we're just going to step through this menu here. It's pretty easy and get this thing set up. So we'll click next just by hitting the OK button on the remote. I'm going to leave it on English. I'm going to click next. If for some reason it doesn't fit your screen correctly, you can adjust this here. I'm just going to leave it the way it is because it looks like it fits okay. I'm going to hit next. And this is where I can hook up to my network. If you have your router next to your TV and you want to directly plug it in with a cable, you can click Ethernet here. I'm going to do Wi-Fi because I don't have my router here. It's in the other room. So I'm going to check Wi-Fi. And it's going to find a list of networks. I'm going to select my own network here. Hit OK. It's going to ask me for the password. I'll type that in. I'm going to go down and say connect now. And I'm just going to wait for it to connect. It's connected. I'm going to click finish. And now I'm connected to the internet on my box. Now there's just a couple more steps. So I want to do the update first because the box does get updates to, fix various little bugs here and there that it might have and to improve performance. So I'm going to go to setting. I'm going to go over to other and I'm going to do system update. And actually this box is up to date, so there's no update that needs to be done right now. If there was an update, it would just, a window would pop up and ask you if you want to do the update. You just click OK and you're off and running. I'm going to click the home button here and go back to the home. Now there's one other update you want to do. You're going to update the main program here with Kodi. So I'm going to go to apps. I'm going to go to Media Manager. And see it says local version 0. That means it's not installed yet. So I'm going to do Kodi add-on install. I'm going to click OK. It is now downloading the latest Kodi. And if you don't know what I'm talking about when I'm saying Kodi, that's the main piece of software where you can be doing most of your watching of your TV shows and movies and stuff. And I'm going to do another video to kind of show you how to use that. Okay, it looks like our Kodi update is complete. I'm just going to click OK here. I'm going to go back to my home screen. And we can launch Kodi, the big orange icon right there on the left-hand side. Now, the first time that you launch Kodi, it's going to want to kind of install itself and kind of update all of its add-ons. So I'd probably just launch it and let it just kind of sit here for 5 minutes. You're going to see it kind of pop up in the corner where it's updating all the add-ons and installing itself and everything. If you don't wait, it might interrupt you as you're scrolling through it. So give it a couple minutes here and it'll finish updating itself. Yeah, see, here you go. It's already popping up there. So give it a couple minutes. It'll install itself. Then you can go ahead and navigate and play around and start watching some TV shows and movies. And that's it for now. One last thing you'll want to do as part of the setup process is set the time. Because it doesn't really run you through that during the initial setup process. You want to do that yourself. So you have to go down here to setting. Go over to Other, go to More Setting, go all the way down here to Date and Time, and pretty much just want to set your time zone. So I'm going to go to -8 here, that's where I'm at. Or -7 is daylight savings time still, so Pacific time anyway. Click OK. And is that time right? Yeah, 2:17 p.m. Yep, that's right. And I'm just going to go back home. That's it. Now my time is set.